name's Dr. James Tangent. I'm a senior lecturer in criminology. So there's a group of about 11 students who've come here in Brussels to a homeless hostel. And what we've been doing is helping them prepare breakfast, which is run through the morning from about 8 o'clock, and it's just starting to wind down now about 10:30. This is a really big organisation. There's about 400 beds here. And we've served probably in the region of 320 to 350 breakfasts this morning, so quite a large operation. What's fascinating for me is this is an integrated project. So as well as providing shelter and food, they also provide legal advice and social support as well.
My name's Calum. I study law. We have been preparing breakfast for the people here, and then after that we were giving them out toiletries so that, you know, get showered and things like that. It's a great experience. Really happy to be here, especially in a different country, and considering the circumstances that some of these people have come here in. It's, as I said, it's a great experience to be here. So yeah, the opportunity to come and do something worthwhile and something of value.
My name is Denise and I'm studying speech and language therapy. So what we're doing is we are looking at helping migrants and asylum seekers and understanding their stories and where they've come from and what we can do to make their day a little bit better in a small way.
There's people who are locals who are homeless. There's a lot of people who are travelling through Belgium. Some people are claiming asylum because they're escaping from war-torn countries. So it's really important that this kind of provision is available for people who are on the move, away from friends and family, away from their homes, and they're able to find somewhere that's welcoming, that provides them with support, that makes sure that they're safe and secure overnight. So it's really important.